acids. First, we will discuss what is the meaning or terms acids. Initially, substances with sour taste are termed as acids. For example, lemon juice, vinegar, spoiled milk, etc. taste sour since they are acidic. So many substances can be identified as acids based on their taste. But some of the acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid have very strong action on the skin, which means that they are corrosive in nature. So these acids cannot be tested. Here is the clear that only on the basis of the test acids are not completely defined. So time to time different scientists give their different views for explain the acids. First views given by the Lavoisier. According to Lavoisier, acids are the oxy compounds of non-metals, for example CO2. Here is the non-metal is carbon, it combined with oxygen, therefore CO2 is a oxy compounds of non-metal. Its aqueous solution is acidic, similarly SO2. Here is the sulfur is non-metal and combined with oxygen, it gives a oxy compounds of non-metal SO2. Its aqueous solution is again acidic. Similarly SO3, NO2. These all are these all are acidic. But this view was rejected by Davy as a result of his studies on muriatic acid, that is hydrochloric acid HCl. After some time, the German chemist Liebig proposed the following definition of an acid. Basically, an acid is a compound which contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atom by a metal or a positive radical to produce a salt. For example, H2SO4 plus magnesium Mg. It gives a MgSO4 plus H2 gas. Here is the hydrogen replaced by the metal Mg, and similarly HCl plus sodium. It gives a compound NaCl plus hydrogen gas. Here is the hydrogen atom replaced by metal sodium. So we can say that H2SO4 and HCl is a acid according to Liebig. And the next example is when H2SO4 react with positive radical Pb2 plus. It gives a product PbSO4 plus hydrogen gas. Here is the hydrogen atom replaced by positive radical Pb plus 2. So we can simply say that according to Liebig, acids are the compound which has replaceable hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom replaced by a positive radical or by a metal to produce a salt. In this equation, PbSO4 turned as salt. Here is the one thing is most important. What is the meaning of replaceable hydrogen? Basically, replaceable hydrogen means acidic hydrogen, and acidic hydrogen means H plus. When hydrogen atom directly bonded to the strong electronegative element like oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, then it is called acidic hydrogen. So we can simply that any substance which contain replaceable or acidic hydrogen are termed as acid. Now we will discuss the general properties of the acid. General properties of the acid. General properties of the acid. First is the first important property of the acids are Sorin test. Sorin test. Basically, acid bird comes from acid bird comes from Latin word acidus, which means sour. And the second most important property of the acids is all acids are soluble in water. And the third most important thing is aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. These things explained by the experiment after some time. And the fourth important property is an acid react with metals. Produce hydrogen gas. And the next important properties for the acid is acids decompose carbonates and bicarbonates. And produce CO2 gas. When CO2 gas passed through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, when CO2 gas passed through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, gives a milky color. Due to the formation of calcium chloride solid. And the most other important property of the acid is acid turns blue litmus paper into red, and our indicator phenolphthalein HPH remains colorless in acidic solution. And the other indicator, methyl orange, gives pink red color in the acidic solution. So these are the important properties about the acids.